Hi loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. Do you know one thing I realized yesterday? No matter how much you clean your room, no matter how much you do your laundry, no matter how much you wash your head, brush your teeth, bath, you're gonna do it again. Like, you will do it again. Now my room is a mess. I fix it. Okay. Up. You can't see me. Ugh, it's giving John Cena right now. I was supposed to sip my hot chocolate. How do I do that? Oh. Hi loves, happy new month. It's the 1st of May today and I'm so happy. I just want to say happy new month to everybody out there. As you can see, I just finished my skincare. Like, I did a face mask. This is the first time I'm wearing a face mask, by the way. I think I killed it. Anyways, I'm supposed to have brunch with my friend today, but it's a rainy day again. But it's not as bad as yesterday. It's not raining cats and dogs. It's raining chicken and cows. Anyways, I was like, I'm gonna wear makeup today, so that's what I'm doing. I always do my brows first. I want to buy a brow filler because I think I'm tired of the pencil thing. But I watched some videos on TikTok. And wait, I said I'm going out today, right? I have to check if the cafe is open because I'm supposed to have brunch and take pictures. Let me see, because nothing is working today. The tram is not working, the trains are not working. So yeah, it's open, but it closes early today. I'm ready. I ended up going in with my graphic liner just to create a little bit of drama around my eyes. And yeah, this is the look. Let me quickly show you. This is my face. Of course, you can see my face. This is my feet. I'm wearing like a top inside. First layer is from H&M, just a basic tee. This cardigan is from ASOS, and I'm wearing shorts. The shorts are from whatever. The shorts are from Zara. My shoes are New Balance.
Hello.
Hello.
It's a long time.
Yeah.
I have not appeared in your camera.
You have to introduce yourself again. It's been a while.
Yeah.
My Georgie! Okay, when did they answer us, please? from trying to have brunch to barely eating anything. I'm so upset.
I'm gonna show SOKA.
SOKA.
This is the place I usually eat.
Is it good? We could try.
Yeah. I usually eat SOKA. I haven't tried.
Me wanna be with someone, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel, ain't the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm so bad, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through